If you're serious about home entertainment, you'll want to stick around because today we're diving deep into Zidoo Z9X TV Box, a powerhouse 4K media player that promises Dolby Vision, Atmos sound, and so much more, all wrapped up in one sleek little box. Is it worth your money in 2025? Let's find out. Technology and features. Processor, Realtek RTD1C99DR Hexa-Core ARM, Cortex A55. GPU, Mali-G51 MP3. RAM 2GB DDR4. Storage, 16GB eMMC. Operating system, Android 9.0 with Zidoo's ZIUI interface. Video and audio capabilities. Video decoding, supports 4K 60fps, HEVC H265 VP9 profile. 2. HDR support, HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision VS10 audio formats, supports Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, DTS-HD-MA, Dolby True HD audio, output HDMI 7.1, SPDIF 5.1, stereo jack, USB audio, connectivity, Wi-Fi, dual band 802.11ac 2T2R MIMO. Bluetooth 4.2 Ethernet gigabit LAN ports, HDMI 2.0A input and output, 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0 SATA 3.0, SPDIF optical output, AV output, RS-232. Additional features, home theater 3.0, native Blu-ray and DVD menu support, streaming services, Netflix, Full HD Disney+, YouTube 4K DRM, Google Widevine L1 control. Options, IR backlit remote, Zidoo controller app, HDMI CEC, RS-232, HTTP. Performance. The Zidoo Z9X stands out with its smooth, high-quality playback, particularly for demanding 4K HDR content. Powered by the Realtek RTD1619DR processor, the device efficiently handles video decoding, ensuring minimal lag and excellent stability even with high bitrate files. Graphics rendering is managed by the Mali-G51 MP3 GPU, which delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with accurate color reproduction. One of the Z9X's key strengths is its support for auto frame rate switching and precise HDR metadata processing. This allows the device to seamlessly match the output to the source content's original frame rate and dynamic range, delivering a truly immersive viewing experience with no stuttering or artifacts. In benchmark tests, the Zidoo Z9X demonstrated solid performance across the board. AnTuTu benchmark score, 73,128 Geekbench. 4. Single core score, 632. Internal storage read, speed, 123 MB/s SATA. Storage read, write speed, 163 MB/s. Read, 158 MB/s. Write. These results show that the Z9X offers fast storage access and good overall system responsiveness, making it well-suited not only for media playback, but also for handling multitasking demands such as streaming, local file playback, and server functions. Whether you're watching ultra-high-definition movies, accessing a NAS server, or browsing a media library, the Zidoo Z9X delivers a consistently smooth and reliable performance. Design and build. Material: aluminum alloy chassis with sandblasted and oxidized finish. Dimensions: 189 x 129 x 25.5 mm. Weight: approximately 1.2 kilos. Front display: configurable LED panel for time or playback status. Cooling: aluminum heatsink ensures efficient thermal management. Price: as of now, the Zidoo Z9X is available for purchase at approximately $229, including shipping, through official channels like AliExpress. Prices may vary based on the retailer and region. Pros and cons. Pros: 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos audio, strong connectivity, easy UI. Cons: no Netflix 4K, Android 9.0.